Have you ever wondered why God has given us the church? And by that, I don't mean the building we go to on a Sunday. I'm talking about the believers, the children of God. In Ecclesiastes 4, it says that two is better than one. When two work together, they will be more successful. They will be able to help each other, and they will be stronger together. Now, can you imagine more than two? Like a whole church full of people? You see, God has given the church a specific job. And that job is to go out and to help those that are in need, to go and pray for the sick, to go and tell others about Jesus, to read his word and find out more and tell others about that, to worship him and praise him and go to the nations and all these things. And if we try and do all of that by ourselves, it might look a little bit like this. In Ephesians 1, verse 22 to 23, it says that Jesus is the head of the church. That means that he's the leader of our church. And when we remember that and we are led by his Spirit, then God will unite us together. And together we will be stronger and we will be able to do the job that he has called us to do.